Hello. We wanted to do a testimonial for sustainable happiness, which is Catch Happiness and Sustainable 3 collaborating together.
And talk a little bit about how well it's worked for us and how much we really like the workshops and how effective Sustainable 3 and Catch Happiness are. We did a workshop a year ago, and I wrote down some stuff in the workshop with Catch Happiness and Sustainable 3, and have already manifested at least 2 of the things off of our list. So I highly recommend Sustainable Happiness, Sustainable 3 and Catch Happiness, and I love what they're doing. I love the work they're doing. I really like the personal development that I got from them, and I think it's really effective. So I would highly recommend working with them, going to one of their workshops and tapping into what they're doing.
And then for me, every morning I get up and read my letter that I did write, because we had to write a letter for ourselves 3 years from the date, which was May of 2019. And it's just manifesting, as Sharon said. Every morning I get up and read it. I love reading it. It was effective. It is effective. I was told to read it 2 times a day and meditate, and that's part of the class. Once you take the class, you will see how effective it is as well for you.
So catch yourself some sustainable happiness and check into their classes. I highly recommend it.
Thank you, guys.